Hi everyone, Codeforces question for today is bad prices. So the question is Polycarp analyzes the prices of a new phone. At his disposal are the prices for the n last days, where AI is the price of per phone on day I. Polycarp considers the price on a day I to be bad if later per phone was sold at a lower price. For example, if n is equal to 6 and a is equal to this, there are three number of bad days, that is day 2 where price was 9, then when price was 6, when price was 7, because later we have a smaller price. So this is what we have to check and print the number of days with the bad price. So this question is very similar to the question we have done previously, that is we have to find the next smaller. If there is a next smaller, then that is considered to be a bad price. So we can simply solve this using stack. We have previously discussed a question whenever we have to find a next smaller, next greater, previous smaller, previous greater, we can solve that using stack. So we have to find the next smaller. So what shall we do? We should create a stack and we shall move from right to left, means from last to first element. Now while moving in the stack, we shall be adding our values for any current element. We want to find the next smaller, right? So all the values in the stack that are greater than the current value, we have to remove them because we want to find the smaller, right? Next is smaller. So this that will be our condition while we are moving. All the greater values in the stack from our current value we shall remove. After that, if any value is left, that means we have our next smaller, so we shall increase the count. Otherwise, we shall just add the current element to the stack because that can be the next smaller from some other value. So this is the solution. We have taken t test cases and number of inputs and array A of size n. We've taken all the n numbers input. We have created a stack. Now this is our counter variable. We are moving from last to first. Now for any current element, we shall check while array's stack is not empty and there is any greater element, because we want to find the smaller, so we have to remove all the greater elements than the current element. We are removing all the greater elements. Now if anything is left, that will be smaller than our current element, so we have to increase the count. We have got an x smaller for the current element, so if a stack is not empty, we increase the count. After that, what we have to do, we have to add the current element to the stack because it shall be the smaller for the next ones. At last we have to print the count. So this was the simple solution. This question can also be done using another approach, that is right minimum approach. We shall keep a right minimum array, that is we will be keeping the minimum values moving from the right to the left, and if that is not equal to the current element, that means we have a minimum value later, so that will be a bad price. So this was the simple question, very interesting. I hope you guys would have got the approach. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun. Bye.